E2C contest and DX operating remote operation techniques, log data format, contact confirmation, RF network systems. Sailing ED. What indicator is required to be used by U.S. licensed operators when operating a station via remote control and the remote transmitter is located in the U.S.? D. No additional indicator is required. Sailing R. C. Which of the following file formats is used for exchanging amateur radio log data? CADIF. Sailing Zen. A. From which of the following bands is amateur radio contesting generally excluded? A. 30 meters. Sailing S. B. Which of the following frequencies can be used for amateur radio mesh networks? B. Frequencies shared with various unlicensed wireless data services. Sailing Wu. B. What is the function of a DXQSL manager? B. Handle the receiving and sending of confirmations for a DX station. Sailing Liu. C. During a VHF up contest, in which band segment would you expect to find the highest level of SSB or CW activity? C. In the weak signal segment of the band with most of the activity near the calling frequency. Sailing Chi. A. What is the Cabrillo format? A. A standard for submission of electronic contest logs. Sailing Ba. D. Which of the following contacts may be confirmed through the logbook of the World Lovtaldun? A. Special event contacts between stations in the U.S. B. Contacts between a U.S. station and a non-U.S. station. C. Contacts for worked all states credit. D. All these choices are correct. Sailing Jo. C. What type of equipment is commonly used to implement an amateur radio mesh network? C. A wireless router running custom firmware. Sailing D. Why do DX stations often transmit and receive on different frequencies? A. Because the DX station may be transmitting on a frequency that is prohibited to some responding stations. B. To separate the calling stations from the DX station. C. To improve operating efficiency by reducing interference. D. All these choices are correct. Say EEA. How should you generally identify your station when attempting to contact a DX station during a contest or in a pileup? A. Send your full call sign once or twice. Say C. What indicates the delay between a control operator action and the corresponding change in the transmitted signal? C. Latency.